YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see why is my cash app refund taking so long. So guys, refund time depends on the payment method, your bank, and the reason for the delay. So most refund are not instant. Okay, so banks takes time to process and receive and process to refund, and it's take 3 to 5 business days. And if we are talking about if you done the payment through the credit card and the debit card, so it's take around 3 to 7 business days, and the card refund takes longer because of the card networks. Large amount, higher amount maybe need the extra verification and the review, so it's take 24 hours to 48 hours or long. Merchant and the sender delay. So the merchant sender may takes time to approve the refund. So what to expect? So it is depend on very merchant to merchant. Security review, cash app may be review the refund for your security purpose, so it's take up to 7 days, and weekend or holidays refund requested the weekends it's take longer, next business days and more. Okay, now typically refund timeline by the payment method. If you're done with the payment cash app, so it's immediately within a minute. If you're done with the credit card and the debit card, so it's take 1 to 3 days. For credit cards, 3 to 7 days, bank accounts 3 to 5 days, and cancel and the fail amount is up to 7 days. Okay, then what you can do right now, so you check your activities, check the original payment method, contact the merchant or the sender, verify your account, and be patient. Then when will the money be? So once the refund is approved, the money is sent right away. Refunded, it depends on the bank or the card. It can take anywhere from your few minutes to the 7 days. Okay, some important things to know: refunds are not instant, they depend on your bank cards and the reasons, and you will not get notification when the refund is issued. If it is taking too long, so contact to the bank support. For this, simply open your app, click the option of profile icon where you go for the support, choose something else and refund. So this is the way that you can do. So guys, thank you.